Hi, I'm Chas, and you're watching Hometalk. To start this project, I'll be using a recycled bottle. This is an old lemon juice bottle that I saved. You could also use a smaller size bottle, plastic or glass, doesn't matter. Next, I'm going to take a sock that I got from the dollar store, and I'm just going to slide it onto the bottom of the bottle. You're just going to slide it all the way up. Now, if you wanted to, you could trim it, but it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to go ahead and straighten out these lines a little bit. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but I've got it on the bottle here, and now I'm going to go ahead and set this aside, and we're going to work with this little stuffed animal next. So using a fabric scissors, I'm just going to go ahead and cut around his arms, and then I'm going to cut a V and back, and I'll show you what that looks like when I'm done. Once I cut the bear up, I trimmed a piece to look like this, and then I've also saved some scraps in case I need them. Now I've got the bottle upside down and laying on a piece of green felt, and I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of give it a triangle shape. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is use this as a guide. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a second piece, and then I'll come back. So with the two pieces cut apart, I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue the two pieces together with my hot glue gun, sticking the felt together, and then I want to leave this bottom open. So I'm gonna go ahead and do both sides, and I'll show you what it looks like. Now that both sides are hot glued, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this inside out. Next, I'm gonna take my piece of fur, and I'm gonna go ahead and place it on my bottle, on my sock, and now I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue it into place. Now that this is hot glued, I'm gonna go ahead and slide on the hat. Now with this extra fur that I've saved, I can go around and make some hair if I want, or leave it as is. It's really optional choice. Next, I'm gonna go add a little hot glue to this bead, and then I'm going to place it. I'm gonna lift his hat up just a little bit and place the hot glue right there and let it cool. Now I've taken some black ribbon, and then I took some gold ribbon and I cut some small strips with my fabric scissors, and I hot glued them onto the black ribbon. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my hot glue gun, add a little dot, and try to kind of center it up above his head. Wait for that to cool, and then I'm gonna wrap it around the back and hot glue it in the back. Here's my leprechaun all finished, and again, you can make him with any size bottle that you want. But here's something else. So I used a basic color for the bottom, which means I could change this hat, because I didn't glue it on, for different colors for every season. So he can be a leprechaun for St. Patrick's Day, but then you could turn him into a normal gnome and change his hat for every season or holiday, making him very versatile. And since he was made with all dollar store items, he's super inexpensive to make as well. Here he is in our living room, wishing us all good fortune and luck. Again, I'm Chas from Chas's Crazy Creations. Thanks for watching Hometalk, and I'll see you next time.